Today I'm going to show you how to make Chinese sticky rice dumplings-Zongzi with chicken and shiitake mushroom filling. It tastes soft, flavorful, and delicious. First, we are gonna do some preparation the day before. In a large bowl, soak 800 grams of glutinous rice in water overnight. For this recipe, you will need 500 grams of boneless chicken thighs that are cut in smaller pieces and add them to a bowl. Then adding 1 chopped green onion, 1 grated garlic, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, then adding 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of Chinese 13 spices mix, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Give it a good mix. Cover with a plate and marinate in the fridge overnight. In a bowl, adding 60 grams of shiitake mushrooms. Soak the dry shiitake mushrooms in water overnight. If you also have dry bamboo leaves like me, you need to soak them completely in water overnight. The next day, the glutinous rice is ready to use. Rinse it in water and set it aside. Next, we're gonna stir fry the sticky rice. In a wok, on medium-high heat, adding 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 chopped green onion, adding garlic and ginger, 1 teaspoon of Sichuan peppercorns, and 3 star anise. Continue to stir until all the ingredients turn brown. Once all the ingredients turn brown, remove them and keep the oil in the wok. Then adding the glutinous rice. Stir well with the oil. Then adding 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Combine everything well and stir fry for about 5 minutes. Turn the heat off and set it aside. Next, take the chicken out of the fridge and adding 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix it well and set it aside. After one night, the shiitake mushrooms are also ready. Squeeze out extra water so the shiitake mushrooms can absorb better flavors from the chicken. Now all the ingredients are ready. Next, we're gonna make the zongzi. Take 2 bamboo leaves and overlay it with each other, the smooth sides on the outside. Cut the top edges off so they form a line. Then use your hands to wrap the leaves into a taper shape around 1/3 place. The taper shape will help hold the filling. Next, we're gonna add some glutinous rice in the bottom and use a spoon to make a hollow in the middle. I like to add in 1 salted egg yolk, but this is optional. Then adding 2 pieces of chicken and 2 pieces of shiitake mushrooms. Cover with more glutinous rice and make the top even. Fold the leaves from the side and from the top. The shape will be like a pyramid. Hold it tightly with one hand and use your other hand to tie with a string. And make a knot, but the knot doesn't need to be too tight because once cooked, zongzi will become bigger in size. For this recipe, I made 28 small-sized zongzi. Next, we are gonna cook the zongzi. Place zongzi in a pot and cover completely with water. Simmer the zongzi for about 3 hours on medium or medium-low heat. Remove from water and ready to serve. It does take a little effort to make this Chinese sticky rice dumplings, but the result is a deliciousness that makes it worth your time. I hope you will give it a try. Every mouthful delivers a comfort and satisfaction. If you like my channel, remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye!